guys, October 5th, 2023. So here I gotta go do a burner service on a boiler that I replaced about a year and a half ago. A year and a half, 2 years ago, I replaced this guy's boiler for him. And he's calling me to do a service on it. You know, nozzle filter, make sure the thing's running good. Gotta check the filter with all this bio slime being delivered. Flippin' joke. Really kind of pisses me off because oil was so clean there a while back when they were doing the low sulfur fuel. You know, you check the filter 4 or 5 years, the filter was like brand new. Didn't even get mucky. Now they got this bio slime. Yes, flipping shit show. Nastiness in the tank. I mean, fuel shouldn't be slimy like that. They're doing something wrong. Fuel should not come out slime. How stupid is that? Crazy. Anyway, we'll see what happens with the filter, see what it's like. The F4s on this side, and I got the F1s, and I got these GABA filters. These are the ones, he's got one of these in there. I didn't change the tank. Alright, so it's been running good, right?
Yeah,
no issues. Perfect. New Yorker. This is a nice little boiler. When did I put it in?
I think it was about a year and a half ago.
I should have put a date on it.
I will leave you to it.
Alright, we'll change this filter and we'll check it at least. No issues, right?
No, it's been perfect. The water's been perfectly hot and the heating system is good.
So it was quite a difference.
Oh yeah. Night and day from the old one.
Well, that's good to hear. Like to hear good stuff. Check this filter. There's no filter at the tank, it's here. I didn't do the... I wonder how bad it is. Yeah, don't look bad at all, actually. Don't look bad at all. There's no slime, but we're gonna put a new one anyway. Put a new one anyway. Open this up. We should get a flow. I got the burner off. Filling in here, slowly filling this up. Jump over again and getting rid of the air here. There we go, we're starting to get a flow here now, so we're getting a decent flow. Do the nozzle. Do the nozzle now. I didn't like the way the guy put this oil tank in, but it was here before I got here, so I left it. It's got a restrictor plate in there. I don't know why I left that. It can't be no bigger than a 75. It's a 6560 nozzle in there. Running clean though. That's why they got the restrictor plate. If you want to restrict the plate, the nozzle's got to be a 75.75 or smaller. Wow, that's really on there. It must have been the nozzle that come with it. I left it on there. I don't buy these nozzles, so this is not one that I put in there. Unless someone else was here after me, I doubt it. Alright, so 6560 is what it was in there. That's what we're going to run in there. It's been running good. I'll run that in there. Delavant. You'll see it's all nice and clean. This nozzle's got to be tight. It's under a lot of pressure. Got to be tight. You can see this has been running clean. No issues there. This is all nice and dry. It's not wet. She should fire right up. Fires. Might have to adjust the air band. fire, that's what we want. See the way they got the tank here. They got regular legs there, and then they got short legs on this side. So the thing's like right next to the floor where it comes out, so you can't put a filter here. They should have put standard legs on both sides. Because this comes off the bottom, this new tank. Anyway, the filter, that's the way it was when I got here. I just changed the boiler, I left the filter there. New filter, new nozzle, reset air band, good oil flow, good draft over fire. See, it's all nice and clean, running fine. I wonder where I got this in here. Crazy. So it's been in about a year and a half. The guy's happy with it. It's a nice little boiler. I like this boiler, the New Yorker. It's designed like a leak ham. Nice swing door. Disconnect it there, and this thing swings right out of the way for cleaning. It's a nice boiler. Top flue. If I was gonna go with a rear flue, I would have went with a Peerless. The Peerless has got the rear flue. Well, this is fine.